I think I'm recording. This is Wags, Chicago. Scott Wagner, your humble host. I get that from my friend Donnie, humble. He's a good man. Shout out to Donnie Vapor. It's 3:20, so we're in our 3 to 3:30 range, and we got another supposed ice and snowstorm coming like last week. This time it is showing up about the time. It said 2 o'clock. It's 3 o'clock, so they're an hour late. But we'll take a look at the sky in a second. So the first time we're going to look at the sky colors, by the way, when they start dumping chemicals, possibly dumping chemicals to start an ice storm ahead of it. We'll see if it changes the color spectrum of the sky. I have not checked, so I don't know. This is new to both of us. Live time if I was able to live stream, but I'm not big enough. So, all right, we got a lux level of 38, 40s, maybe 50 for the living room, or not the hallway. Nah, the living room. I opened it up all the way because it was so dark in here. You can see right now I'm temporarily doing some video editing there. I'm still working on the office. The so little messy right now, but that's all right. It's just temporary. The light level there is 132, so not much more coming out of the west light. As we get closer to it, you can see here. That's our day lamp. Look at the light spectrum too. And I was just showing somebody this here that was here the other day. I'll do this one more time. See the light spectrum? As I get closer, it goes from the left. See the right bump is coming up? That's this type of light. And then just another clue, as I'm all the way up on it right now. So, then it finally moves all the way to the right. So that's an LED light, by the way. And I don't know, I haven't done research yet into this whole light situation. But if LED light is the reason that light shifted from the left, which is normal daylight, which you'll see back over here when I aim to the window, just normal light. Well, we're getting it in the center right now, but that could be because there's a little bit of snow there. But look how the light, even right now on the ground level, is shifted to right of center. Very strange. All right, let's take a look at the sky. Let me go out front and do that. I'm going to shoot the light through the window here in my kitchen. It's just really windy out there, and I'd have to put my jackets on and all this right now, and my wrists are really hurt right now, so I'm not going to go outside right now. I'd be really paying for that all night. We are seeing a double shift here. However, I don't normally do this reading through the glass. You know what? Let me open the door and just stick it out the window. Hang on. All right, I went outside. Makes some difference. This is the ground. See the right of center? Go up, right of center, but it gets a lot stronger. That's imitating, or not imitating, is the same result we just saw with the LED light. I'm looking in all directions. The only time the light seems to split is when you get objects in the way. If you go straight sky, it looks like that's LED. If I'm going to zoom in on it, they're zooming in, it just makes it a tighter fit. All right, we got a snowstorm coming in here. Hang on one second. I got one of these other, those new lights with the, see how they got like cords in it there? I don't know what that's called, but I'm pretty sure it's using some kind of tube. Now look how that light is shifted all the way to the left. I'm backing up. Look at the pattern there. This is some new technology. I don't even know how they're doing that. All right, hang on. Let me check on LED light. All right, here's an LED bulb right here. Why is my camera upside down? The lens is all screwed up here. All right, it's showing it upside down. That's an LED bulb made to look like an incandescent bulb. I'm going to get closer to it, closer to it. The closer I get, the further to the right that light shifts. Backing up. So that, you could see, has a coating on it, like a paint coating that makes it look like the old-fashioned, now old-fashioned, like 80s type bulb. Here's a strong LED light with no lens coloring on it. I don't know why this camera is acting this way. It like flipped everything backwards now. I can't coordinate it. Hang on. Alright. Well, that's LED for sure. Like a spotlight one. And that light's to the left. So that just didn't help anything. Because we got LED, regular light. None of that's telling us which way the spectrum here is going to go. So, looks cool. Alright. But it didn't answer any questions. So, but that's why we're testing it. And the lux level of this light here hits what, 10,000? 15, no, 100,000. Wow. If you get close to it, now I'm about a foot away, it's around 20,000. That's twice as bright as the day lamp, natural light. What's this one doing? Look at that, 200,000. Lux. About a foot away, you're at about 100,000. I don't think that's good for our eyes, and I wonder if that's why people's eyes are bothering them in traffic when you're driving around. But that's a whole nother story. All right, this is Wag Chicago. I'm out.